The awake New York X Air Jordan 5 Arctic Pink brings an expressive twist to the iconic silhouette with its soft pastel hue and bold streetwear identity. Crafted with premium materials and bespoke insole graphics, this sneaker reflects awake New York's NYC-rooted creative energy and Jordan Brand's historic legacy. Subtle co-branding, unique lace locks, and refined detailing elevate the look, making it both a fashion statement and cultural artifact. Designed to celebrate individuality, urban diversity, and fearless self-expression, this collab fuses rugged basketball DNA with progressive street style. The Arctic Pink upper contrasts the AJ5's athletic build, delivering a fresh interpretation of heritage and innovation. More than just a sneaker, it captures the collision of tradition and creativity, crafted for those who walk their own path. This limited edition drop stands as a tribute to identity, boldness, and style that resonates beyond the streets.